My first knowledge about Pancare was when we were asked to make donations to Pancare at my uncle's funeral. We found out in September of 2013 that he'd been diagnosed with pancreatic cancer. We all hoped that he would get a few years, but he didn't. He got less than 6 months. I grew up in the Thomastown store. My mum's been there since mid-70s. We used to lift the forklift up
We used to take
and we used to
them for a ride.
hang off the forklift.
Take them for a ride. Mischief.
I know.
Only about 9 or 10 years old.
Who needed monkey bars when you had a forklift? So currently we have 3 generations in the store with the guidance of my mum and my uncle. We actually run a very successful business. I think he'd be honoured that we remember him in the way that we do. I was diagnosed in November of 2013. I have a medical condition and I deal with it. This room is my safe space. I come in here and I meditate and zone out from the world. There's a photo in there of my brother and myself that was taken many, many years ago, and my brother hates it, but I just think it's a cute photo. With Floorworld and Pancare, the initial concept was we just purchase a table and buy some raffle tickets. We just thought that that just wasn't enough. We wanted to get more heavily involved and become the partnership that's evolved today. The 3 ladies involved in 4 Women for Pancare unfortunately have all lost their partners and husbands.
Phil had been diagnosed with liver and with Murad. The operation was such a success. Phil wanted to know how we could pay him back. I said we should organise a lunch to raise funds and awareness. Then Murad said, well, actually I have the Pancare Foundation.
He's a surgeon and he started Pancare and he does everything, but he's just so much more than that. He's a real, genuine person and he really cares about his patients.
It's not just focusing on the patient, it's on the families of the patients and everything, because the diagnosis does affect more than the patient themselves.
It was always going to be about fun, about drinks, about friendship and about women getting together. We wanted to be more than just a flooring store. We wanted to give back to the community.
That one about the man, that was kind of heartbreaking, and he couldn't afford his medication. It was really good to be able to tell them where that money was going.
Dame's passed now, but it's good to be able to put something back into the charity, you know, to help someone else's journey maybe be a little bit easier than perhaps it was for all of us.
Peter was absolutely adamant that I kept on doing something for Pancare. He said, you know, it's very, very important, don't give it up. That was one of the last things he said before he died.
3 beautiful men.
Yes,
On too soon.
I currently have 2 very rare medical conditions. The last time I was in hospital, all my hair fell out and the girls were straight down there with a wig. And the 3 women have been phenomenal.
My mum is my inspiration. She's probably one of the strongest people I know.
When facing an illness or hardship or something, just that little bit of help does make a big difference to people.